Post it on Facebook. Post it on Facebook.
It's so cold out here.
Put your hood on.
I'm talking about my hands.
Why don't you have a normal jacket?
What are you talking about?
You don't even have a jacket on. You have a pullover on. It's freaking blizzard time.
I want to touch it. I want to touch the snow.
No.
Do you want to bet us, snowman?
I kind of want to feel the snowman.
I kind of want to freeze my face off.
I want to get your curse word on the video.
I didn't.
I'm going to hear you say a cuss word on the video.
I said I want to face off.
Hey, what's that on the ground? Oh, I think it's my Nards. It just froze off.
Mom, Dad,
Look.
they took our car and painted it.
Oh, no.
No.
I hope they fixed it. Do you think they fixed it?
Probably not. But there's not that thingy on the left, right. So they probably did. I'm just gonna stand like let's put up like penguins.
Or love like penguins, huh?
Turn it around so we yeah.
We're having like penguins.
This is the life of this is the penguin life, bruh. Okay, let's stop that now.
Yeah, you almost kissed me.
It's not that cold.
Because you almost kissed me.
It's not that cold out there. It's not that cold out there.
It's not cold enough to huddle with your dad. Holy crap, look at all the snow now. It's even snowier than before.